Hi students, after the completion of KCET previous year paper, I am going to solve some problems on the chapter sets using shortcut method. Let us move on to the first question in this case. So this question particularly based on the topic representation of the sets. So let us see the question. Write the set builder form of A is. So here in this case, the method you can use in this case substitute quotient to the option. So in this case here two elements are there, minus 1 plus 1. Here x is a real number, so it is infinite set, this is finite set. This is wrong. Is integer, here only two elements, this is infinite set, this is also wrong. So next substitute this A, set A contains elements minus 1 plus 1, which satisfies this equation. Yes, it is satisfies this equation. Minus 1 square equal to 1. 1 square equal to 1. Yes, it is correct. But it is wrong because 1 square plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 is not equal to 0. Minus 1 square plus 1 is also 2 is not equal to 0. Option here in this case C is correct. This is 2014 KCET problem. So easily identify the answer of this question by using the method substitute quotient to the option. So now let us move on to the question number second. So in this case the set A is given, x set that x belongs to any real number, so which satisfies both the equation. In this case, so x square is equal to 16 means x is equal to plus or minus 4. So now 2x is equal to 6, nothing but what, x is equal to 3. So here no common element between these two equations, nothing but any element does not satisfy these two equations simultaneously, hence this set is empty. Here option A is correct. Take down. Now let us move on to the question number 3. This question based on the topic subsets. So in this case we note that the formulas, some formulas on the subsets. So let us see the formulas. If A contains, set A contains or number of A is equal to n, then first case number of subsets of A, set A, number of subsets is equal to 2 power n. So number of proper subsets is equal to 2 power n minus 1, because only one improper subsets. Any set it has only one improper subset, that is itself. Remaining all are proper subsets. Hence we can write number of proper subsets is equal to 2 power n minus 1. Number of non-empty subsets. Number of non-empty subsets. Number of non-empty subsets of A, here also subsets of A. So only one empty subset, if consider any set, only one empty set, so remaining all are non-empty set, hence it can be written as number of non-empty subset of A is hence again 2 to power n minus 1. So using these formulas we have to find out any question on the subset, number of subsets problems. So let us see the question in this case. The number of non-empty subset of the set, nothing but non-empty in this case, using the formula 2 power n minus 1. So here in this case required number is equal to 2 power n minus 1. Here n is the number of elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 power 4 minus 1. 2 power 4 nothing but 16 in this case. Minus 1 is equal to 15. So option A is correct. Now let us move on to the fourth. So in this case, if A is given, set x, set that x is a multiple of 4. So it is the multiple of 4. All the elements are multiples of 4. And B, all the elements are multiples of 6. So then find the A intersection. B consists of all multiples of what? So in this case, so here intersection, we can find out intersection of the elements, nothing but common elements which are multiples of what. So using one shortcut, so in this case A is multiple of 4, B is multiple of 6 and A intersection B is the multiple of LCM of 6 and 4. So here in this case LCM of 6 and 4 nothing but what, 12. So hence in this case the elements X said that X is multiple of 12. So option B is correct in this case. Take down. Now let us move on to the question number 6. Once again this question based on the topic subsets. Let us see the question. Two finite sets have m and n elements in this case. M and n elements. The total number of subset of the first set is given 56, more than the total number of subset of the second set. Then find the m and n value. Easily we can find out by using shortcut method. So in this case first set have m elements, it have n elements, nothing but number of subset 2 power m. It is more than the second set by what, 56, nothing but second number of subsets is what, here it contains second set n elements, number of subset is 2 power n is more than 56, nothing but equal to the 56. So which option, here in this case using the method substitute option to the question. So here options are there, already m and n values are given. We cannot find out m and n value using this equation. So easily we can find out m and n by using substitute the quotient to the option to the question. So in this case here m and n either 7 6 or 6 3 5 1 8 7. Here option B is correct by inspection method. So 2 power 6 minus m is 2 power 6. Here m is 6, so 2 power 6, n is 3, 2 power 3 is equal to 56. 2 power 6 nothing but, so in this case 64 minus 8 is equal to 56, 56 is equal to 56. Hence option B is correct. No one option satisfies this equation, so only option B satisfies. So hence option B is correct. Here m is equal to therefore 6 and n is equal to 3. So easily identify. So now let us move on to the question 6. So this is JEE Main 7-1, date 7, month 1, 2020. Shift 2 question, numerical type question, 4 mark. So easily find out the answer of this question by shortcut method. So here in this case let x is given, set contains natural number from 1 to 50. So A is the multiple of 2 and B is the multiple of 7. Then find the number of elements in the smallest subset of x. So smallest subset of x which containing that subset. We have to find out the smallest subset of x. This is the required subset which contains both A and B. Elements of both A and B. Nothing but intersection. So intersection means what? So in this case A is multiple of 2 and B is multiple of 7. So solution, intersection A intersection B we have to find out. That is correct in this case. So A intersection B nothing but what? It common element both of them A and B. Common element means what? That elements multiple by LCM of 2 and 7. Nothing but what? 14. So 14 means 14 ones are 14. First element. It is correct in this case. So 1 to 15. 14 2s are 24. 14 3s are 42. So this is the common elements between A and B. So this is the also a subset of X. So we have to find out this subset. Essential in this case. Any number of elements in this case 3. So we have to find out that we have to find out the subset of number of elements present in the subset of A intersection B. That is correct in this case. So 3 in the smallest subset of X which contain elements of both A and B. We have to find out the number of elements. How many elements are there? 1 2 3. So answer of this question is what? 3. 3 is the numerical value in this case. So easy question. Most of the students solve this question in GE exam. Take down. Now let us move on to the question number 7. So question number 7 and 8 both are we can solve by using graphical method in this case. So easily solve these two questions by using graph. So well known about graph of exponential function e power x and e power minus x, and also in this case identity function y is equal to x. Using graph, So we have to find out the answer of these two questions. Okay, first we take question number 7. So in this case, y to the power of e to the power of x, y is equal to e to the power of x. Graph of this function is in this type. So this is y is equal to e power x, and y is equal to e power minus x. This is the graph of y is equal to e power minus x. So both are intersect at the point 0, 1. Put x is equal to 0, y becomes 1 in these two cases. So common element between them, these two equation is 0, 1. Hence A intersection B is not equal to pi. Answer of this question easily identified by using graphical method. Okay, next question. Next let us move on to the question number 8. In this case, this can also be solved by using graphical method. Here set A is the what y x comma y satisfies y is equal to e power x. So using the graph y is equal to e power x, this is passing through the point 0, 1. This is y is equal to e power x. So now y is equal to x. Set B is y is equal to x, passing through the origin. Identity function, this is passing through the origin 0, 0. So this is y is equal to x. Both two functions curve do not intersect at any point. So hence A intersection B is equal to pi in this case. So option C is correct. So easily identify the answer of these two questions by using graphical method. So use the graph of the function y is equal to e power x, y is equal to e power minus x, and y is equal to x. So take down. Now let us move on to the question number 9. This question based on topic operation on the sets. So this is JEE Main 9/1/2020 shift 2 question. One option correct, 4 mark. So I am solving this question by using number line method. So easily identify the answer of this question in this case. So two sets are there. So this also can also be written in the number line. So in this case, set A represented in upper side, set B represented in below of this number line. So set A is a modulus of x is less than 2 means what? Minus 2 to plus 2. So minus 2 not included because strictly less than, plus 2 is also not included because strictly. So this is the set A. Now write down the set B. Set B is once again use the modulus rule. Modulus of x minus 2 greater than or equal to 3, nothing but x minus 2 less than or equal to minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So here 0 is there, here minus 1 is there. So minus 1 included in this case. Minus 1 to minus infinity. And one more condition, x minus 2 greater than or equal to plus 3, nothing but in this case minus 2 plus 3 plus 5. So x value is greater than 5, this is 5. 5 is included up to plus infinity, this is minus infinity. So in this case take first option, A intersection B. So A intersection B, here minus 2 belongs to B but not belongs to A, hence minus 2 does not belongs to the A intersection B. Here minus 2 is included, hence option A is correct. No, option A is wrong. So now A union B. So A union B in this case, this is A, this is B. So in this case 2 not belongs to the A and also not belongs to the B, but in this case A union B contains 2. So hence this is also wrong. Next A minus B. So A minus B means what? Elements belongs to the A but not belongs to the B. In this case minus 1 is which belongs to both A and B. So hence minus 1 does not belongs to the A minus B, here belongs to the A minus B. This is also wrong. So next B minus A. So B minus A means the elements belongs to B but not belongs to A. So in this case total real number B minus A is total real number subtracted by the elements minus 2 to 5. So minus 2 is also including B and plus 5 is also including b. So open interval minus 2 to 5. It is correct, b minus c. So it is correct. Option D is correct. Easily identify by using number line method. Take down. Now let us move on to the question number 10. This question particularly based on the topic of cardinality of a set. So let us see the question. In this case, in a class of 55 students, the number of students studying different subjects are given. In this case, 23 in mathematics, so M, and 24 in physics, P, and 19 in chemistry, this is C, 12 in mathematics and physics, so this is maths and physics, P, and S. Nothing but in this case M and S, M and P, sorry, M and P. 9 mathematics and chemistry, so M and C, this is 9. 7 physics and chemistry, this is P and C. 4 all, nothing but P, M, C, 4. Then find the number of students who have taken exactly one subject. So using one formula, exactly one event among nothing but one set among 3. Using this formula directly we can find out the answer of this question. So the required answer can be written as K. In this case, K is equal to N of M maths plus N of physics plus N of chemistry minus 2 into N of maths and physics minus 2 into N of physics and chemistry minus 2 into N of maths and chemistry. So again plus 3 into N of all the 3 sets, nothing but maths, physics, chemistry. So all are given in the question. So maths here 23 plus physics 24 plus chemistry 19 minus 2 into maths and physics 12, 24, 2 12s are 24. Next sorry, maths here, okay, maths and physics 12. Next physics and chemistry, 7 is there. In this case 7 is the physics and chemistry, 2 7s are 14. Maths and chemistry 9, 2 9s are 18 plus 3 into all 4, so 3 4s are 12. So simplify this, we get the required answer 22. So easy question. So using this formula we have to find out the answer of this question easily. Take down. Now let us move on to the question number 11. Once again this question based on the topic cardinality of the set. So this question can also be solved by using a shortcut method, by using nothing but by using formula. Easily identify the answer of this question. So let us see the question. In this case, in a class of 30 pupils, 12 take needlework, nothing but N of N is 12 in this case. 16 take physics, nothing but N of P is equal to 16. Next, and 18 take history, N of H is equal to 18. If all the 30 students take at least one subject, means here complement is not there. So N of N union P union H is equal to 30. Next, and no one, it is important, no one take all the 3. So no one take all the 3 here, intersection is 0. N of N intersection P intersection C. No one take all the 3, nothing but 0 in this case. So then the number of pupils taking 2 subjects, here in this case we have to find out the number of pupils taking 2 subjects. So that is called K, using the formula N of N plus N of P plus N of H minus N of N union P union H minus 2 into N of N intersection P intersection H. So here N intersection P intersection, yes, C not H, it is H. H is 0, this is 0. So N of N 12 plus 16 plus 18 minus here 30 in this case. So this is 46 minus 30. So answer 16, option A is correct. Easy question. All the students solve this question, this type of questions. So I am solving this question by shortcut method. Take down.